Before we answer the question of who wins, let's first uncover what truly separates both sides. Let's begin with the human. He's a living, conscious being, driven by emotions, imagination, and purpose. They grow through mistakes, explore through culture, and create from inner inspiration. Slow, but deeply profound. Now AI, a system trained to simulate knowledge. Fast, accurate, trained on data, not emotions. It learns by pattern, acts by logic. It has no consciousness and no purpose without us. So, one creates from feeling, the other from learning. Two different minds, both impressive. But here's the fear many carry. Will AI replace artists, writers, creators? Now the answer to both questions becomes clear. The truth is, each completes the other. Humans can't be replaced, and AI, it's now essential. When used right, AI becomes a tool, not a threat, a way to expand creativity, not replace it. What do you think? Comment below. How can humans make the most of AI in their lives? This is Mindbotics, your mind, your machine, your future. Subscribe to stay ahead of the AI revolution.